Hello everyone, welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to see about how to generate client loss report for the last n days in Fresa application. Initially, you need to log into the system, and after your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Now go to My Reports module. Here we have to search for the report. So just click on the report. The main purpose of generating this report is that we can find the client list who are all not into business for the number of days we enter. Just give the days and click on submit button. After you click, the report will get generated. If you want to download the report, then click on download button available here. Or if you want to send this particular report via mail, then you can click on send mail option provided here. Hope now you got an idea on how to generate client loss for the last n days report in Fresa application. Thanks for watching.